Hey everyone, we are absolutely thrilled to offer a new format called interactive workshops. In the past, people have been able to do workshops. Most were like half days on a training for an analysis technique or many other things. This interactive workshop is going to be much more about creating in vivo, in real time, in that session. It really can be proposed to focus on anything you can dream up, and I hope that you're going to dream really big. The focus of these will be a regular session timing. I think that's about an hour and 15 minutes, and you're going to bring people together to kind of address a particular need or topic. So maybe you have a new concept that you want to figure out how to measure. You could propose coming up and developing a measurement with people in that session. Or if you want to write a new policy or create a new program or develop a new teaching technique, develop a new recruitment strategy, come up with a new way to analyze data, quantitatively or qualitatively or mixed, you can propose that, and then everyone who shows up will get to work on that together and collaborate. I think that this has so much potential to really use the conference to address needs that we have and figure out solutions to move them forward that will advance the field in every single part of its mission, from teaching to clinical practice to research to policy. So please consider submitting under this new format. I would love to see the program filled with it. See you all soon.